Battery corrosion in your thermostat can totally mess with how your heating and air conditioning work, causing weird display glitches and making your system act up right after you swap out the batteries. So, if your thermostat screen looks all funky or won't respond properly after a battery change, it's probably because corrosion built up on the battery contacts. That gunk stops power from flowing right, which makes your thermostat freak out and not control your heat or AC like it should. First thing, grab some vinegar or lemon juice and a cotton swab to gently clean off those corroded terminals. Don't just slap in new batteries and hope for the best. Then, make sure to use high-quality batteries because cheap ones can leak faster and cause the same problem again. If the corrosion is bad, you might need to replace the battery terminals entirely, which isn't too hard but might need a bit of DIY courage or a quick call to a pro. Also, check your thermostat model's manual for any recommended battery types or cleaning tips. Keeping your thermostat contacts clean not only keeps the display sharp, but also helps your HVAC system run smoother and saves you from random breakdowns. Trust me, it's way better to catch this early than deal with a busted thermostat in the middle of winter or summer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat battery problems is ignoring battery corrosion and just swapping batteries without cleaning. This often causes ongoing display errors and system glitches. Another common issue is using low-quality batteries, which tend to leak faster and worsen corrosion, so investing in good brands is key. Lastly, some folks forget to check the battery contacts themselves. If they're corroded beyond cleaning, just replacing batteries won't cut it. You need to swap out those terminals or get professional help to fix the connection. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who can handle thermostat repairs and other home fixes without the headache. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work and connect with folks who really need their skills.